the preparatory committee for the upcoming Iraq Investment Forum in Baghdad has received 100 requests for participation from American entities, signaling strong U.S. interest in the event. The Prime Minister's office announced on Thursday, June 12, 2025. Ali Ruki Al-Lami, Deputy Director of the PM's office, stated that the U.S. Embassy in Baghdad's request for 100 invitations reflects significant interest. He also revealed that some U.S. companies have proposed hosting a special Iraq-focused investment forum in the United States to further encourage American firms to enter the Iraqi market. Al-Lami noted this follows a previous visit by a large U.S. investment delegation where agreements were signed with Iraq's National Investment Commission. The upcoming Baghdad Forum, the first of its kind organized by the NIC, aims to be a landmark event, showcasing over 140 pre-approved projects. Officials hope it will become a recurring fixture, opening Iraq to global investors and capital. This high level of American interest is seen as a key indicator of growing confidence in Iraq's business environment. The strong American interest in the Iraq Investment Forum and the potential inflow of U.S. capital and companies has important implications for the Iraqi Dinar (IQD). Here's how. 1. Boost to foreign direct investment (FDI). The fact that 100 U.S. entities have requested to participate and that some want to host a forum in the U.S. signals a major push of foreign interest in Iraq. If these interests result in actual investments, they would bring USD into Iraq, increasing the foreign currency reserves of the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI). Impact on the IQD. An increase in dollar inflow strengthens the CBI's ability to maintain or even appreciate the IQD exchange rate, because a stronger reserve position helps stabilize the currency. 2. Real economic development equals IQD support. The 140 pre-approved investment projects will likely span key sectors like construction, energy, technology, and logistics. As American companies invest and operate in Iraq, jobs are created, infrastructure improves, and tax revenue increases, contributing to real GDP growth. Impact on the IQD. Sustained economic growth increases confidence in the currency, both domestically and internationally, which may gradually reduce inflationary pressures and make a stronger dinar more feasible over time. 3. Positive sentiment in financial markets. The Baghdad Forum is being seen as a turning point for Iraq's economic narrative. If investor confidence rises and stock market activity increases, this helps draw capital into the local economy. Impact on the IQD. A more active capital market in Iraq increases the demand for dinars for investment purposes, potentially supporting the currency if the trend continues. 4. Strategic signaling to global investors. The participation of U.S. companies acts as a signal to other international players that Iraq is becoming safer and more open to business. This could increase broad-based global interest, not just US-based, in the Iraqi market and currency. Impact on the IQD. If Iraq becomes viewed as a rising frontier market, the dinar may benefit from speculative and institutional demand, especially if future forums lead to actual capital deployment. Summary: Investment Forum confidence, currency support. Indicator effect on IQD. U.S. interest in forum confidence in Iraq. More FDI inflows, foreign reserves USD. Economic growth, fundamental strength. Currency stability, support for stronger dinar. Final thought. While these developments don't guarantee an immediate revaluation (RV) of the IQD, they lay the structural and macroeconomic foundation that would make a stronger dinar more sustainable in the future. The U.S. participation reflects rising confidence, and if converted into real investment, it will support the currency both directly via reserves and indirectly via growth and stability.